This video is on drones for physical security. Drones, or unmanned aerial vehicles, are used to enhance physical security in the modern era. Drones and unmanned aerial vehicles have been heavily adopted by the military for ISR purposes as well as offensive and defensive operations. They are utilized for nature relief missions as well by other government agencies. Drones are great for numerous functions like detecting threats and gathering data. But drones' biggest advantage is the ability to navigate in hazardous area. They can inspect hard-to-reach locations and gather data to assess situations. It is able to provide great coverage for security personnel and lessens the risk for them before tackling the incident. Drones are also fast, making it easy to stick onto threats and not lose sight. You can utilize multiple drones for 24/7 coverage and use its high-quality cameras to capture information like license plates to help identify threats. Some even come with thermal imaging as well as capability to carry items as well. Drones can be controlled manually or automatically. Autonomous systems can be programmed to reliably cover certain areas and use threat detection capabilities to alert security personnel, saving time and cost.